Recently, someone give me this machine for indoor planting. It calls Click and Grow. You can search it on YouTube. It has there. It's where I learn what it is all about. New for it yan. We have here this to plant. I have red kale and basil, but I didn't try to plant it yet. It needs electricity, and it will be too expensive. It's 18 hours on. Okay, it's like this. You have to go plant it indoor, and it will go through the electricity here. There is light on it, like over there. The red kale. We have to take up the seeds, to open this one and put this thing inside here. We have to change it. It's the old one. And here to pour water. And it's here how to water the plants like this. Here you have to pour water there. I didn't try it yet. But now this is red kale. But now I have this organic red kale. We have the organic red kale. It looks yummy for salad, but today I will saute it with garlic and olive oil. Instant red kale. It's free from roll. I didn't know how to eat it. That's why I searched it on YouTube, and now I will try it. Now my red kale is ready. Looks how it shrink. Before it's too bloom. Now it's just a little bit. My boiled potato, and then I fried it, and a bit of chicken for our food for today. It's a brunch, actually. It's a brunch, it's for my daughter and for me. Before we go to church, we eat the red kale. Highlighted red kale with garlic.